which play it was there. Go Zippos! Woo!
Corey, that's my friend Dave.
I just wooed myself. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Woo! Yeah. Chase that, chase. Yeah, yeah.
Well done.
Okay,
wait, that's a point?
The Zippo. Nice.
It's like a hat.
Tight D, Zips. Tight D. Oh, Haley dropped one. Nice. Good. Good. Way to look for your options. That's good. That's good. Good. Don't freeze. Nice. Way to work it.
Work it.
Woo! Found a hole.
Well done.
Heat thing. I've had too many of those for my own good. I actually lived in a house where we had one of those.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yummy.
It was horrible. Chase that! Chase that!
Oh.
Good challenge.
Yeah.
Good challenge.
Nice. Well done.
Hit Brian. Yeah, yeah.
Hit him. Where the heck's going on? Where's the frizz? Where's the disc? There it is. There's the disc. Oh! Too much butter for supper.
That was a good effort. See, even a good effort counts as sometimes. Jinx. What's she doing with the black shirt?
Yeah, it's for black shirts.
Well, it's got some red on it. I guess that counts.
Not.
That was a wicked cut.
Oh, slippery flanges.
Brutal. Take a dump. Look behind you.
Oh. Oh.
What?
What's going on?
You shot on the field. Make sure you get a close up around his face there.
Oh, I should have. Shoot.
He needs those close ups. Otherwise he feels bad about himself.
Oh, dang it, but now I don't get to play. Shoot. But it's okay.
Don't listen to the lousy commentator.
Well, Randy got his close up for sure.
One in. One in. Alright, I should have gone.
You got it.
Start from the middle, Brandon. Start from the middle.
Oh, oh, oh.
Swing it around. That was a good D on Brian's part there. He stayed back for that girl. One deep. You want to cover her?
Oh! Hey, hey. Oh, what up? Thank you. It's yours.
For the cheering section. Welcome, Zippo fans.
Hey, hey.
Gabby's open. Throw it to Gabby.
Throw to Gabby. She's safety.
3, 2, 1. Your hair looks good. I like to see you in this big shake or something. Oh, no. Not yet.
Do I ever?
Big.
It's too big. This man will catch me. He'll support me. Okay, I'm gonna place it down.
Dare to lie down in it.
If I die.
Yeah, Zippos.
Us, them. Winners. Who scored the 2 goals?
Boston's got it. Boston's on it. Yeah, man. And Torres cleats.
I'd be so nervous. How you feel about that, but
Can we do better?
Come on, Gabby, you're a beast. Nothing. She's got
she's
nothing.
tank. She's tanker. Go tanker.
Tank them.
Stop power! Stop him off. He's tired.
Oh!
Do you get that white vote?
Okay, yeah,
Hello.
pull.
Easier, right? Like, I find like parents there like didn't expect as much as yeah, no, and like just the amount of work. Oh, it was easy. I barely, yeah, I barely read anything or studied actually.
Oh, nice curve. Well done.
Took it.
Way to take it.
Yeah.
Kyle, please forgive me. As this rum and eggnog soaks in more.
There's no rubber there for it.
It's just, yeah, you got it. You triple. Yeah, Randy. Growl at them. Rawr.
Are you going to Ashton's birthday? When is it? I know her birthday's on Christmas, but I'm not sure when they're going to.
Hey, good hustle. Good hustle.
Maybe live.
Oh,
She's told me like 8 times.
the ground's not playing.
Hip, hip.
Anytime. Today's a great day.
Charge.
But I can't. I can throw it.
Use it, use it.
Yeah, that's what you get for not wearing a red jersey.
I can like book it. I can run and like try and catch it. If they like throw a disc way down the field, I'll sprint and catch it. It's so funny. Yep. Or the quick little easy ones, so you don't get the between the same 2 person. That I can do. Tomorrow's boyfriend.
Is there a halftime
Yes.
for like Kool-Aid and Oreos and stuff like that? Oh, come on.
Dreams.
Yeah, I wish, right?
If you turn around.
I thought he was going for it. He had it open. Could have gone, could have gone.
Yeah, I gotta say. There's a ball.
Have a taste. Get there, get there. Jump ball.
Take it. Oh!
So close. That was worth it. That was worth it. She had a good lead on her mark.
It's so soft.
He'll snack.
I think so. I think he's hungry. He wants halftime too. See, I'm telling you.
Okay, who's in charge of getting Oreos and Kool-Aid? Let's go, go, go!
Whose mom brought the Oreos and Kool-Aid?
Well, whose mom do I need to call? Or
We have it this week.
Gabby's mom buys some pretty mean Oreos.
Oh,
Oh!
Gabby's open.
all our practices are so
crossfit.
Oh, oh, run it, run it. Oh!
Yeah, today we played ultimate for half an hour.
I got that one in slow motion.
Or then soccer for half an hour. We just did like shooting games. It kind of bugs me when it's like that though. Like I should just like stay away. It's much fun to have. And it's weird, we have like all January off too, right? Right, yeah. We have no games. Oh, you don't have any games? Well, we have a couple exhibitions, I think, but like no
Roth
games.
and Brandon.